Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in this world. Hey, I just want to show you guys how this coffee, I call it a percolator. Currently in the Dominican Republic, and you all know that I love my Starbucks coffee. So I had to go out and, search to get my bag of coffee while I was here, and it made my day. It made my day. It made my time here a lot more enjoyable. Not saying that the Santo Domingo coffee that their brand that they sell here is not good. It is some excellent coffee as well. But today I'm going to be showing you guys this procedure of how to percolate your ground coffee here in the Dominican Republic. As you can see right here, these are their little coffee makers, and I have two here. The larger one, which I use currently every day religiously, and then they have the little one here, like personal espresso shot that they use. So we're not going to use this one. I just want to show you guys that this is available if you want to use it just for personal use, just a single shot for a person. So basically, how this work is, it has components, and they ask, how does it work? So I had a few people ask me. So first of all, what I do is unscrew like so, take it off. Inside is your filter. This is the coffee filter, just like that. And then you take it's old school. If you grew up in the South, I think you remember your mom having a tea kettle or a coffee maker such as so. And I have here, currently I have some fresh water. This is store-bought water, not tap water. Just put in this container to make it easier. I put enough water in there, like so. You don't want to overfill it because it would, spill out once you put your strainer, your filter, coffee filter in there. And once you put your coffee filter back in there with the water, as you can see, I got that Starbucks coffee on deck. I got the house blend. And then you fill this area up with your coffee, like so. A little bit more here. I like mine's pretty strong. So fill that up. Let's set this gold mine to the side. We don't want to waste not one drop of that. Set that Starbucks over there to the side. Then you just take the top, you screw it back on like so. Close it up. Close it up like so, and just basically, tighten it, hand tight, not too tight, because with pressure, it's gonna seal it pretty hard, and it'll be hard to take off. So then we're gonna go and put it on the stove and let it percolate. We'll be back. All right, once you get it on the stove, you're gonna go ahead and let it start getting hot, and the water gonna come to a boil. And when the water comes to a boil, what it's gonna do is gonna percolate upward through the coffee strainer, upward, and flow out. And as it comes to a boil, I'll show you guys. Not like your modern day coffee maker where the water drops down on top of the filter and strains from the top to the bottom. This is straining from the bottom to the top. You know what I'm saying? Like started from the bottom, now we're here, from the bottom to the top. So as it get hot, I'll show you how it's percolating. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. Now it's percolating. Show you guys what it looks like. See how it boiled up? It percolated to the top. It's still percolating a little bit. So that is how these little, as I call, percolators work. I hope that answered your question for those who were interested in it. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.